Hello, I'm Ryan from Fluxspace, and I'm excited to announce that this summer we are celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Over the past 5 years, our team has had the privilege of working with numerous organizations and school districts on a shared mission to transform education and provide better learning experiences for all students. Fluxspace was created to help shape and transform education by developing innovative learning experiences necessary for classrooms to move from quiet rows of desks to more dynamic student-centered learning environments. We are helping organizations navigate implementing STEM programs, creating maker spaces, esports lab, indoor agriculture programs, and other learning experiences that provide students with the opportunities to explore their passions and develop a purpose. Throughout these years, we have provided approximately 5,000 students with opportunities to experience things like design thinking, inventing, and prototyping. If you haven't visited Fluxspace or reached out to us yet, we encourage you to do so. Give us a call. We love to hear from you. Here's to our partnerships with customers and clients over the past 5 years, and cheers to the many more to come.